Hello! So now you've already learned how to use some Git commands. I'm going to teach you how to make a GitHub account. Oh, why is there a Malaysian flag behind me? Because I'm recording this on the Malaysian Independence Day. Merdeka! Why is there a white box? No, there's no white box. It's a perfect GIF image. Okay. So, are you ready to make your own GitHub account? If you are, let's continue to the tutorial, shall we? That's good. Okay, that's better. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is that we need to create an email if we don't have one, because GitHub, it uses the email. So, usually for me, I prefer that we use Gmail. So let's go create Gmail. Then create an account. You can skip this step if you already have an account, okay? So, first name, trainer. Last name, mysterious. Username. Usually for the students, we will use the Kiddo account, Kiddo Soul followed by your ID. But for this one, I'm just gonna put in a random username, okay? Trainer, mysterious, 1 2 3 3 2 1. And then password, usually it's a Kiddo password, we play 2 times, but it's okay for this part. I mean, for the tutorial, I'm just gonna put in something random. I'm not sure. Maybe alright, don't hack me, guys. Okay, so I can save the login if you want, but I don't really recommend it. I mean, it's convenient, but sometimes it might lead to some data leak, because you need a lot of protection for your computer actually. Phone number sometimes it's not optional. If they ask you to do it, it's better that you use your phone number or your parents' phone number. So it's usually for verification. Day, put in your birthday. And sometimes the Gmail, it doesn't work properly if you're under 18. So let's lie for the age a bit. I think 13 is fine, but I'm not so sure about that. Then gender, this is a male. Oh, gender reveal. I can just agree on all of this. What is my password now that I think about it? So yeah, here's our email. So now we can go on and create a GitHub account, okay? Alright, so let's open a new tab. I'm going to duplicate and then open over here GitHub. Okay. Let's search for GitHub. And then over here you can put sign up. If you already have a GitHub account, you can sign in. But just in case you don't have, I'll teach you how to sign up. And look at this new page. Before this, the sign up page is different. It's so plain. But now it's so good. 1 2 3 3 2 1. I think. Oh. Okay. Continue. Then password, you can put any password that you want, but make sure it is secure and you remember. Mysterious trainer. You have to receive product updates or announcement. Sometimes it's interesting as well, the announcement. So if you want, you can put yes. The one you can put no. For me, my own my real GitHub is already receiving the announcement, so I'm going to put no for this time. Please solve the puzzle. So they have a puzzle because it's in case you are not a human, you are a robot, so they want to avoid that. Pick the spiral galaxy. Okay. Alright. That is pretty simple, I guess. Okay. Create account. Up to you again, want to save or not. I'm going to put save. So now they will ask you to verify. So let's go back to your Gmail. Okay, the email is not sent yet. Maybe wait for a while. Unless it might be in the spam. Oh, okay. That's okay. No wonder. Oh, so that means that it's okay. Now we should receive the email. Yeah, inbox is too. And GitHub is here. Right, verify email address. Let's resend the right. So they will ask us to input the code 045481. Or you give me another one. 029430. Alright. How many team members will be working with you? And this one is better to put just me, and this one put student. And then this is the specific feature you'll be using. This one is up to you. It's just a personalization. You can just skip it for now actually. And ooh, Galaxy. Now your dashboard. And there you go. That's your GitHub. So after this, I'm going to teach you about the Git commands again by showing you a live sample. This is your GitHub now. You can maybe change your profile picture. Let's say your profile, you can change the things around here. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson where I'll show you the live about the Git commands, that how it is used when you use the repositories. Okay, let's set up your Git account now.